Why is the tree shaking? Who's in the tree? Who's in the tree? What? Yeah, what are you doing? That's the bad kitty. Yeah. What are you doing? You're not supposed to be in the tree. No, you're not. No. Yeah. See, that Mealy's a good kitty. She's not in the tree. There's a good kitty. There's a ball from the bad kitty. There's another good kitty. And there's the bad kitty in the tree. Yeah. You're so darn cute, though. Oh, yeah, you can go higher. Oh, yeah. Well, how are you going to get down now? Huh? How are you going to get down? What are you doing in there? Yeah, you're not supposed to be in the Christmas tree. Shit. Are you Oh, there goes the ball. How are you going to get down? No, don't jump there, because you just broke one. Yeah, you just broke one.
It's really quite sad. We will never be able to transport our toys over the mountain.
Someday when I'm bigger, I'll take them for you, Tante Pringle.
That's not a good kitty.
We will be great toy makers again, Mr.
I gotta move my Yankee one, because you're gonna break that. Yeah, that one's got a bell. Oh, God. Yeah.